Control number 1188. Please tell something about yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Maria Crisa M. Saliabe. I am 28 years old. I am married. I have 2 kids, 7 and 4 years old. I am the eldest among our family. I have sister, 27 years old, and I have brother, 10 years old.
What is your educational attainment?
My educational attainment, I finished second year college level in City College of Manila, taking a Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education.
Have you been to any country before as OFW?
No, ma'am, I have no experience abroad.
Why you want to go to Hong Kong?
Ma'am, I want to go to Hong Kong to be able to send my children to school and have small business, ma'am.
What is your working experience related with domestic helper works?
I work as a housemaid in San Fernando, Pampanga. I clean the house, I wash the dishes, I do the laundry, I cook, I do the gardening, and then I clean the cars and even the bathrooms.
What is your everyday household works from morning up to night time?
My everyday household work since starting morning until night. I have to take a bath, and then second I have to prepare for the breakfast for my employer, and then I clean the house. And then do the gardening. I watering the plants and then clean the cars. And after that, I do the laundry. And then after laundry, I iron it. And then in the dinner time, I have to prepare for the food of my employer. And then I clean again the house and then prepare for sleep.
What is your experience in taking care of old person?
I only experienced it when my father-in-law got sick and he's bedridden. I clean him. I do taking him a bath, and then prepare for him food, and then through the NGT I do put the food in the NGT, and then I change the diaper and cleaning and prepare for his clothes.
What is your experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
I experienced because I have 2 children. I taking care of them since there was an infant.
Please tell all the details how you took care of them.
I feed them, and then I teach them how to play, and then to read, and teach them how to pray, and I read some stories, and then taking them a bath, and then play with them, and prepare for them to sleep, and then that's all.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I have slight knowledge in computer.
What dishes can you cook?
I cook Filipino food, ma'am. Example, kare-kare, menudo, caldereta, bopis, pakbet, Dininding, and others.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
As a housemaid, I am very respectful, I am very trustworthy, I am patient, I am very honest person, kind. That's all.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
If I have a misunderstanding situation, I have to be calm and then listen to their side, and then after that, I have to explain them what happened.
Describe your relationship with your past employer.
My experience to my past employer was very good. They treat me as their family members of the family. They give they are very good in me when they that's all now.
Define what is a good domestic helper for you.
As a domestic helper, you have to do all the house chores. For example, cleaning the house, do the dishwashing, and then do the laundry, do the gardening, clean the cars and everything, do the laundry. And
Message for your future employer.
Dear ma'am, sir, if you chose me as your domestic helper, I promise to do my best and promise to take care of your family circle and to obey your command and rules and regulation. And promise to finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, ma'am and sir.